What's up, everybody? What's going on? How are you all doing today? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream, folks. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. For those that don't know, TTG is the fastest growing, highest rated premium online trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal. That is to learn, trade, and profit together. Check us out on Trustpilot, 5-star rated, over 1,270 reviews. I invite and encourage you actually to go ahead and read some of those reviews. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here for free on this YouTube channel where myself, other TTG mods, and special guests drop golden nuggets and free lessons that can help you to become a better trader. If you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. Take a moment, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to share this stream on your own social media. We're live right now on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. Welcome, all of you. Why should you listen to anything that I'm going to share with you here today on this live stream? Well, glad you asked. Guys, I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. Okay, I began my trading career working for a firm in New York City. My very first job at college, 2007, then 2008 happened. The Great Recession, the housing market crisis, the Great Crash. And it was actually in 2008 when I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. All right, but before they ever let me touch a dollar of their money, I first had to go through their educational training program that set me on the path to be the trader that I am here today. So I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was taught by other professional traders. But before they let me touch a dollar of their money, guys, I had to go through that training. It was like the first 3 months or so of my employment. I literally sat in like a classroom style setting. All right. I've since taken that experience, that curriculum. I've simplified it. I've expanded on it, and I paired it with some of the top trading tools from companies like Benzinga, TradingView, CoachStream, just to name a few. And we've made everything all available in one place on the TTG platform for one price. There's no upsells, there's no add-ons, nothing like that into your trading group, guys. All right. All right. So guys, listen up. We're going to start off this live stream with a 20-minute Q&A. Then we're going to be getting into my new swing trade, which is AMC. And then I'm going to let you guys know, we're actually doing something really exciting tonight. I'm going to let you guys know about a stock that I'm going to buy tomorrow. And I'm going to tell you why. Okay, so something we're going to we're going to have a lot of fun here tonight. We're going to talk about AMC. AMC did exactly today what we talked about yesterday. Yesterday on the live stream, actually somebody had asked me, somebody said, hey, Mike, what do you think AMC does tomorrow? I said, listen, based on the action I saw, I think AMC gets up and tests that resistance level that's up in the low 60s. A lot of resistance from like 60 to 64. A lot of resistance up there. Went up there today, tested it, was not able to break it, not yet. Increasing volume on AMC today. I did like that. We're going to talk about AMC, what I think happens in the next couple of days. And then I'm going to tell you about one stock that I plan on buying tomorrow. And I'm going to explain and tell you guys why. So go ahead right now. Start typing your questions right in chat, and let's start that Q&A. Okay, guys, don't be shy. Now's your time to ask me anything. How to prevent over trading? Well, there's a couple of things that can help you with over trading. Some are actual physical, some are actually mental. What I will tell you with the psychological and the mental aspect of overtrading, I want you to think about this for a second. If you struggle with overtrading, chances are you're probably a novice trader, right? I'm assuming you're probably like a beginner or a novice trader, you haven't been doing this for 10 years. So I'm just gonna assume. So I will also assume that perhaps maybe your win rate is not that high. Maybe your win rate is 50, 55, 60%. Okay, which is still very good. That's still a good win rate, but I'm assuming it's not up into the 70s. But what I will tell you, the reason why I'm explaining this to you, because I want you to think about the law of averages for a second. And this is none other than changing your perspective on trading and changing your mindset that can cause you to act differently. If you're, let's say your win rate is 58%. Let's say that's your win rate. If you're trading throughout the day, and let's say you're 2 for 2 in the morning. If you're 2 for 2 in the morning, what's your win rate? 100%, right? The law of averages, if you're a 58% win rate trader, the law of averages are going to tell you that the more trades you make, the more likely you're going to be to work yourself back to that 58% win rate. It's the law of averages. Okay. So when you have a good morning, okay, and I assume if you overtrade, you're probably someone that has good mornings and then ends up giving profit back at the end of the day. So if you think about trading this way and you think about the law of averages, this can help you say, wow, okay, I'm 2 for 2, I'm 3 for 3, right? Not saying that you should stop trading. And the advice I'm giving you right now is really for novice traders. If you're an experienced trader, when you're hot, you push. When I'm hot, I push. But if you're an inexperienced trader, I like to tell people that if you have a good morning, whatever's a good morning for you, if $500 is a good morning for you, set a hard 50% stop on your P&L for the rest of the day. So you're up $500 and you're like, wow, this is a great morning. Do not allow yourself to get to a point where you're up less than 250. If you're up 250 or more, you can keep going. But once you close out of a position and you're only up 250, cut yourself off for the rest of the day. Be done. Walk away from the day green. Don't try to get yourself back to 500 because that's going to be when you're going to get yourself back to 0 or even worse, potentially going red. And there's absolutely nothing worse than starting the day green and finishing the day red. So if you think about trading this way and you think about, okay, well, if I'm 2 for 2 in the morning or I'm 3 for 3, maybe I should slow down a little bit. The law of averages is going to work you back to 58. So what are other things that you can do besides your P&L? If you're going to continue trading, go ahead, continue trading, but reduce your risk, reduce your size. So let's say your average risk per trade is $200. I'm making up a number. I don't know what your risk per trade is. If you're someone that risks $200 on every trade, meaning if you get stopped out, you'll lose $200. If that's your normal risk and you find you're 2 for 2, you're 3 for 3, you're having a good morning, instead of risking $200 now going forward for the rest of the day, if you want to keep trading, only risk maybe 100 and keep trading. This way, if you take a couple of losses, you're still sitting on a nice P&L day rather than you trying to have to play catch up or potentially giving back all of your profit. Okay, so these are just a couple of things that I tell some of my teaching members that struggle with over trading. These are some of the things that I tell them, and it seems to help. Thoughts on the SPY tomorrow? Let's pull up the chart. Let's talk about the charts. You guys like charts? I was really impressed with the action today in the SPY. I was impressed with the action today in the SPY. Today was a very high volume day. You see the volume bar down there at the bottom of my screen. It's a very high volume day. Okay, you see the volume that came in here, 101 million shares. That's a lot. That's a lot of volume. You know, wait. This is a block. This is a block trade, 3 million shares. That didn't occur inside. Sorry, so a little bit less than 101 million shares. It's actually a little bit less than 101 million shares. You take out the after hours trading. I thought today, after what happened yesterday, I thought that today we were going to extend lower and break below yesterday's lows. We did break below yesterday's low and did go lower, but we didn't go much lower at all. Like I kind of feel like we need to test 416, 416.50, which is that previous support level you see drawn on my screen. And it's also the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is this blue line you see on my screen, this dark blue line. That's your 50-day moving average. There's a lot of support right down there. So I thought today that we were going to get deeper into that support level, but we broke yesterday's low. I'll go to the three-day chart. We broke yesterday's low. You see that? We broke yesterday's low, but no follow through to the downside. We actually reversed it pretty strong and pretty significantly. That was a significant move in my opinion. Now there's two different things I'm looking at on the SPY for tomorrow. Now I see a very clear area of resistance around 423. 423, guys, in my opinion, is a clear level of resistance. And it's you got to give it wiggle room. It's like a 50-cent range. It's like 423 to 423.50. And it's like, you'll see here, back here, guys, like, all this little support here at 423. We then broke beneath it. Then you'll see this resistance here around 423.50. And then you'll see now all of this resistance from today. And we were unable to get back above it today. If tomorrow we are still unable to get back above 423, I think then you can start to see us drift back down. And then I think we eventually, in a choppy fashion, get ourselves down to 416.50. But tomorrow, if you start to see the SPY at 424, my goodness, is that going to be a sign of strength? My goodness, is that going to be a sign of strength? Okay. So, it seems like that 423 area is pretty tough resistance. You've got clear support at 420. That's a 3-point range that I think the SPY is going to be stuck in here. And look for those levels as your pivot points. We get above 423, 423.50. That's going to be a sign of strength. That's going to be an indication to get some call options. You break below 420, that's going to be an indication to get some put options. I'm actually going to probably jump the gun on those put options. If I see the SPY tomorrow at 421, I'll probably start to scale my way into put options and then possibly add as we break below 420 and look for the move down to 416.50. All right, so that's kind of what I'm going to be looking for there on the SPY. Kamlesh, is Home Depot a long-term play? Yes, I like Home Depot. I think Home Depot is a good company. I think it's a great long-term play. You also just had a very, very clean technical breakout. Okay, you can see all of this resistance. All that resistance. We had a huge breakout through that, and now here's your little pullback and reset. If you get Home Depot below 300, like if Home Depot gets back to like 285, I think that's a good place to be a buyer. I like Home Depot. I own it in my long-term portfolio. I have no intentions on selling this anytime soon. So I do like Home Depot as a long-term play. Thoughts on Matt Kors? Matt's awesome, man. Matt's a really cool dude. I had Matt on my live stream the other night. He came on as a guest, and then him and I were talking shop about AMC. We were talking about Ape Nation and the movement going on with AMC and all the social media, the meme stocks and the retail trader. And, he and I had a really, really, really great and fun conversation. I encourage you guys to go check that live stream out. It was a really good one. I had a lot of fun. Hopefully, Matt and I could talk shop again, in the near future, and maybe we can have him back on and we can continue our conversation. But I think Matt's a really cool dude. How do you personally evaluate a stock you're not familiar with? You got to do research. Sincerely, Stan. We actually have in our membership, your membership to True Trading Group, it comes with our stock profile tool. Our stock profile tool gives you a ton of information on individual stocks. You can, any stock you want, it's on our platform. You can just type in a ticker symbol. You get downloadable PDF reports on the company, SEC filings, financial information. You also get analyst ratings. You get to see all the analysts that cover a particular stock, how many have a buy, sell, or hold target on it. It's an amazing feature. All you got to do, it's right there on the screen. All you got to do is type in any ticker symbol, and you'll get all of this information. You can download a PDF report, and that can really help you guys with your due diligence. Our trial members also have access to this feature. So if you guys want to try TTG out for a week, we do have a 1-week trial. You guys can go to TTGTHREE.com, TTGTHREE.com. It's only $3. It's a one-time payment. We charge $3 just to know that you guys are real. There's no auto renew. There's no reoccurring payment. It's a one-time payment of $3. It's literally less than a cup of coffee. It'll be the best $3 you ever spent in your life. But you will actually get all of these downloadable reports that can help you to see all this information, learn about a company, learn about their management, but also most importantly, probably learn what did the analyst community think about this stock? How many have a buy, sell, hold rating? A lot of information there for you guys to do. So as you can see here, moderate sell is the analyst rating that's up here for the stock Adam has up on the screen right now. Okay, so this is how you guys could, this is how you guys can really do some due diligence and learn about the companies that you're unfamiliar with. So go to TTGTHREE.com, sign up for that 7-day trial, folks. Next question. Nice. Roden Costner, great job. Green week all week so far, thanks to TTG. Yeah, same here. I'm having a pretty good week, man. I'm having a pretty good week. Is Tesla ready to form a TTG triangle? Ankit, most likely not. TTG triangles are really mostly intraday patterns. No, Tesla is not ready to form a TTG triangle. So for those that don't know, a TTG triangle is my absolute favorite chart pattern. I actually used it yesterday to rip out a 32% gain on ORPH. Check out that live stream. There's a fantastic lesson on the TTG triangle on that live stream on my ORPH trade recap. There is also an entire course dedicated to the TTG triangle. That's how important I believe this pattern is to trading, but it is mostly a day trade setup there, Ankit. You're not really going to find TTG triangles on daily charts or weekly charts. That's more of a day trade type of setup. So I do not see a TTG triangle forming in Tesla right now. No, I do not. Make sure you go ahead and check out that course, Ankit. Go through that course. It can really help you. My risk is 3 to 5%. I'm like, Travis, no. My risk is 3 to 5%, Mike, on a trade. Can you explain how a novice trader maintains that on a mod trades that trade more than that percentage? No. Okay, Travis, and everyone else, listen to me very carefully. Seriously, anyone that's not a member of True Trading Group, or maybe if you just joined and maybe haven't gone through all the courses, literally take out a pen and paper right now and write this down, because this is going to completely change your entire trading performance. I'm going to teach you real risk management, the proper way to manage risk. It's going to completely change. You do not risk 3 to 5% on a trade. That is those are made up percentages that are completely irrelevant. Completely irrelevant. What does 3 to 5% mean? Nothing. Okay, you need to risk not the same percentage on every trade. You need to risk the same dollar amount on every trade. Your position size. So Travis, I don't have to ask you. I already know by the way that you manage risk. You buy the exact same amount of money every time you enter a trade. So let's say you're like, I put $2,500 into every trade. So every single time you buy stock, you put $2,500 into that stock. That is wrong. That is the wrong way to manage risk. And you say, okay, well, I'm going to put $2,500. I'm going to risk 4%. And you're going to do that over and over and over and over and over again. Why is that problematic? That is problematic because you're going to be looking at a chart. When you're looking at this chart and you want to buy the stock, you think it's going higher, there will be a support level that if the stock breaks below this support level, the chances of it going up is now drastically decreased. There's going to be a support level that as long as the stock is above it, it looks good to go higher. Now, that support level might be 1% away, 2% away, 5% away, 7% away, 8% away. If you are just randomly setting your stop loss at 3 to 5%, well, what if the support level happens to be 6% away from your entry price? The stock's going to come down. You're going to get stopped out, even though the stock never broke below the support level. And then the stock's going to hold the support level and it's going to continue higher. And you're going to say, oh, I always get stopped out and the stock goes higher without me. That's probably why that happens to you. As long as the risk reward makes sense, I don't care what percentage away am I. I'll have a stop loss 10% away from my entry point. Case in point, I'll buy a stock at $5. My stop loss would be $4.50. That's 10% risk. But I'll risk 50 cents, 5 to 4.50. I'll risk 50 cents if I think the stock is going to $7.50. Now I'm going to make $2.50. You're talking about a 50% gain. I'll risk 10% downside to catch 50% upside. You just have to manage your position size on that. So you got to say to yourself, okay, Travis, what's the dollar amount that you're willing to risk on every trade? What's the dollar amount? Meaning, if you make a losing trade, how much are you okay losing? Is it 100, 200, 500, 1,000, 5,000? What is your number? It's your number, not anybody else's. It's yours. Once you figure out that number, it's your job as a trader to make sure that every trade you enter, if you get stopped out, that's how much you're going to lose. Let's say, for example, your risk tolerance is $500. Let's say $500. That's the number you're comfortable risking. Okay, great. Let's do the exercise. If you buy a stock at $5 and there's a support level at $4.50, okay, so that's where your stop loss will be. If you get stopped out, that's a 10% loss. But if you're only going to want to risk $500, you buy 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares at $5. If you get stopped out at $4.50, you lose $500. That'll be a $5,000 position size. My position size changes on every single trade. I never have the exact same amount of position size. I might go after an extremely volatile option trade where I might be risking 50% to the downside to potentially make 150 or 200%. And if my risk tolerance is $5,000, I know now I can only put $10,000 into that trade. That's $10,000 position size. If I get stopped out, I lose 50% because that's the risk on that trade. I lose $5,000. Then I might trade a small cap at, let's say, $5 and my stop loss is $4.50. Well, okay, if my stop loss is $4.50 from $5, if I want to risk $5,000, how many shares do I have to buy? 10,000. I buy 10,000 at $5, the stock gets to $4.50, I get stopped out, I lose $5,000. But 10,000 shares at $5 is $50,000. My position size on one trade was 10, on another it's 50, but I'm still risking the same dollar amount. Now I might go after, let's say, a $500 stock, and I buy the stock at $500, my stop loss is $4.95. That's 1% risk. From 500 to 495. That's 1%. How many shares do I have to buy at 500 if I want to get stopped out at 495 and lose 5K? 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares, $5 to the downside, that's $5,000. But how much is 1,000 shares times 500? Folks, that's $500,000. That's $500,000 in one trade. But if I get stopped out, I'm still losing $5,000. I just showed you one trade, I can have 10,000, another trade 50,000, another trade 500,000. And if I get stopped out on all three, I'm going to lose the exact same amount of money. That's the proper way to manage your risk. It's not to just say, I'm going to buy $50,000 of every single stock that's out there, because you might do that. And sometimes you'll get stopped out and you're going to lose $1,000. Other times you're going to get stopped out and you're going to lose $8,000. You're never going to be consistently profitable that way because you're always going to have these huge losses. You're going to have situations where one losing trade is going to completely erase 3 to 4 winning trades. You will never be consistently profitable if one loss wipes out 3 winners. Do the math. Do you realize what your win rate has to be at that point in order for you to be profitable? If one losing trade wipes out 3 winners, folks, you have to have a 75% win rate to break even. How many of you on this live stream have higher than a 75% win rate? My guess is very, very, very few. You can make 4 trades. Winner, winner, winner. Trade number 4 is a loss. You're 3 for 4. Congratulations. 75% win rate. But guess what? That one loss wipes out all 3 of those winners. You are back to square one. You're never going to be profitable that way. That's why you have to make sure that you lose the same amount of money on every single trade you make that you lose on. That's how you control your risk. That's how you prevent yourself from getting hurt. Very important lesson. I hope you guys wrote this down. I told you we drop golden nuggets on here. Stick around on these live stream, guys. You guys will learn enough that can just drastically change your trading just from these live streams. Never mind actually being a member, going through the education, being in chat with us live, attending all of our workshops. Woo! This is the tip of the iceberg. If you guys just learn something now, imagine being in chat with us for the entire day, how much you would learn. Blake Martin, hey guys, joined last night. Really awesome to see the live action today. Can't wait to get my training done and get caught up. Yes, Blake, welcome to the family, brother. Take your time. Take your time, Blake. Go through all the courses, brother. Go through the quizzes. Pass them. You have any questions, you hit up some of the moderators. Guys, don't forget, you have the ability to DM and private message all of the moderators in chat during the day. Take advantage of it. Yes, Jessica. Yes. Guys, Jessica, you guys know Jessica. She's been on these live streams many times. Jessica is our newest and latest moderator. She's also our first female moderator in True Trading Group. And Jessica is a prime example of how important this risk management lesson is, because prior to joining True Trading Group, Jessica was actually was losing money on a consistent basis. Once she joined TTG and got a real education and learned actual risk management and the right way to do it, completely turned around her trading, has gotten her to a point of profitability, and now she's our first female TTG moderator. She is literally living proof that the education works. There's no difference between Jessica and you, folks. The only difference is in education and one hell of a work ethic. Jessica works her ass off. Guys, you know what? Guys, how many of my TTG family members, if you are a member, I would love to know how many of you are making money and are better traders because of True Trading Group. Sound off in chat right now if you're making money and you're a better trader because of True Trading Group. Sound off in chat right now. Let them know. Yes. Yes. Look at all these comments. Guys, if you're not a member, just read some of these comments. Seriously, just read some of these comments coming through chat, folks. This is the TTG fam. This is the TTG fam. Sound it off in chat right now, letting you know that they're making money, becoming better traders because of TTG. It's all about the education, folks. Trading is not about luck. Trading is not about having a crystal ball. Trading is about actually getting yourself an education so you can identify high probability setups, so that you understand what are the setups you want to put yourself in. Guys, how many people are here for the very first time? Guys, go ahead and type, guys, go ahead and type the number 1 in chat if this is your very first TTG live stream or you're not a member of True Trading Group. Guys, if you're not a member or this is your first live, type the number 1 in chat. All right, we got Brad Stone, we got Erdon, we got PZ. Wow, they're coming through fast. A lot of new faces. We got Magic, Bruce Douglas, Darsh, Too Cool to Trip, Ricky Garcia, Fred's Electric, KL6, It's Crim, D Smith, Just Me. What's up, Just Me? I think I just saw your comments before. I think you jumped over from from Matt's channel. Just me. Welcome, brother. We got Mitchell. We got Ralph Wood, TBD. We got Drit Z6, Byron Glaspie. What's good? Justin Ellingworth, T.O. Double, Raising Lane, Nima Amami, Riker Kev, Brooks Hamilton, Todd Duff, Carlos Lopez, Larry Spirit, Ultralights, Nuno DeSuze. What's good? Anthony Najera, RC Sailor, Mitchell. This is awesome, guys. Awesome. I love it. A lot of new faces that are with us here today. Welcome all of you that are here that are brand new. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, folks, listen, I'm gonna head on over here now. Welcome all of you that are brand new to the TTG live stream. I see there's a couple of you that are asking about memberships. Folks, a membership to True Trading Group, somebody asked like how long is the program? Guys, TTG is a 1-year membership. It normally costs $2,212 for the year, but tonight through midnight, you can actually save 42% and get a price of $1,282. You can actually knock the price all the way down to $1,282 for the entire year. Folks, that is just over $100 a month. And the first 15 people to use the coupon code TTG121 will also be getting a brand new free laptop. We even cover the shipping. We do ship globally. Okay, it's going to be either an Asus, HP, or Lenovo laptop. The first 15 people, they are going to go fast. Okay, TTG121. Use that coupon code. All right, these are the, all right, actually, guys, we're out of HPs, actually. Adam just told me we're out of HPs. So we have Asus and Lenovo laptops. These are the last ones. All right, these are the last ones. So we got 15 of them left. You got to enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code, and make sure you guys get that discount. You'll know you're getting a laptop if the laptop is in your checkout. If you go to the checkout and then laptop is not there, that means the 15 laptops have already been spoken for. All right, guys, there's no add-ons, there's no upsells in True Trading. If you pay one price, get access to everything. We've got our 17-course curriculum. It's a simplified version of the stuff I learned working at the fund. You've got beginner and advanced courses, options, trader psychology, swing trading, crypto. Everything is in text and video format. You've got our Benzinga Pro news feed that gives you breaking up to the second news alerts right inside chat. You've got our Quote Media's level 2, which is full book market depth, gives you all market maker depth. That's all included. You got TradingViews Pro Plus charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charting softwares today. That's included. We've got a trade simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money, where you practice implementing what you learn in the courses with real-time data. All that is included for free, guys. When you pay $12.82 with that coupon code, it's all of this included. You don't pay $1 more for any of this stuff. If you were not a member of TTG, this stuff would cost you a hell of a lot of money. It's all included as a member. You get access to our chat. It's not WhatsApp. It's not Discord. None of that stuff, guys. It's a proprietary software. We share our screen. We are live on the microphone. It's me, 8 other moderators with different trading styles, calling out trades, identifying opportunities, answering questions. We're there for the whole day. We're not gone after 2 hours, and we're sporting about an 83% win rate right now in chat between me and the rest of the mods. We do live workshops. We do private one-on-one mentor sessions. We do small study groups. We've got a small account challenge that starts up soon with $100,000 in cash prizes. We do giveaways with our members. Every time we get 300 new members, we give away a Tesla or $30,000 cash. It's up to the winner. The winner chooses cash or the car. All you got to do is be a member to be included in that giveaway, by the way, folks. All you got to do is be a member to be included in that giveaway. All right. So like I said, guys, use coupon code TTG121 to get the 42% discount, get a free laptop. And there's also, it comes with a money back guarantee, folks. I am so confident in the education that we provide that if you do not make back your membership fee, which is $1,282, if you do not make that back at least one time during your membership after completing the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending one private study group, do those 3 things. If you still don't make your membership fee back, I'll give you all your money back. I'll give you a full refund. Not kidding. I can do this because 80% of our members have gone on to become successful. 80% have gone on to become successful, meaning they're making money, they're becoming better traders. If that was not the case, I would not be able to offer you a money back guarantee with a straight face. I'd be a complete idiot, actually, to offer you a money back guarantee if all my members were losing money. All right, so use that coupon code TTG121 to To get that discount, lock it in, guys. That price goes up actually at midnight. Okay, that price goes up at midnight, folks. All right, so you're going to want to make sure you lock in that coupon code now and get that free laptop while we still have them. These laptops will go fast. All right. Okay, so that's it, folks. Now let's get into it. Let's dive right in. Let's talk about swinging AMC. Everybody wants to know about AMC, right? Everybody wants to learn about AMC. Let's pull up the charts. AMC, here we have it. Okay, here we have it. So AMC did exactly today what somebody asked me on the live stream yesterday. On the live stream yesterday, somebody asked me, what do I think AMC does today? Did exactly what I thought it was going to do today, which was go back up and test that resistance level in the low 60s. Here's the resistance level in the low 60s that I'm talking to you about. This is where it is. Okay. Here, I'll just draw these. I'll draw two lines so you guys can see. There it is. Okay. It is inside, in between these two lines is your resistance level. Okay. This is your resistance level. Okay. If AMC can get through this level, then I think it's moon time. Okay. If we can get through that level, I think it's moon time. All right. So I'm really, really fixated on this level on AMC. I like how the stock, after such a huge move, that the stock is actually consolidating and trading sideways, and it's exchanging hands. The other thing that I like about what I'm seeing right now on AMC is the volume. Now, I'm going to extend the bottom part of my screen. This is your volume. Okay, this is your trading volume. I'm going to extend this part. The reason why I want to extend this part for you is because notice the difference in the volume on the red days versus the green days. So when you have this pullback right here, this 2-day pullback, look at the volume on those 2 trading days. Then you had the 3-day bounce. Look at the volume on the 3-day bounce. Heavier. So a heavier volume on the way up. Okay, heavier volume on the way up. You have a lower volume on the pullback. Then, not today, but yesterday, you had another pullback day, right? You had another pullback day yesterday. And again, lower volume. You had a bounce back day today. And again, heavier volume. I like to see increasing volume when the stock moves higher. I like to see decreasing volume when the stock moves lower. Okay, so I actually like that action in AMC. All right, let me put this back down so you guys can see the chart now a little bit more clearly. Okay, so what I was looking for, guys, I entered at 6103, 1,500 shares on AMC here today, 6103. What I'm looking for here was a close above 60. Okay, I was looking for a close above 60. Right now, we're exactly at 60 after hours. We closed right around 61, about 60, 75, 61, 60, 75. Okay, and now after hours, we're sitting here at 60. So what I'm looking for out of this thing tomorrow is if you see AMC back above 60, 61 tomorrow, I think things can get very, very interesting if this thing gets back tomorrow to 61, 62. If we don't shy away from this resistance level, because what I want you to notice is the last 2 times the stock tried this level, it pulled away from it. Okay, so here we tried it, we pulled away from it. Here we tried it, we pulled away from it. You see how the last 2 times you tried this level, you pulled away from it. If tomorrow we don't pull away from this level and you see us actually start to head higher, like that to me is going to be a sign of strength. And I would look for this to go right back and test this $70 all-time high. Okay. So tomorrow, You've got to have eyes on AMC. Now, what I will not like is if AMC tomorrow shies away from this resistance level. If AMC tomorrow starts to do some action like this, then I'm not going to like it. I'm not going to like this as much, because then this resistance level then would be, again, we're shying away from that resistance level. Once this resistance level gets broken, I think everyone gets the moon move that they've been waiting for. Okay. So that's what I'm going to be looking for there, guys, on AMC. All right. That's what I'm looking for on AMC. We've got to get above this level. This level is what everybody is waiting for. And trust me, everybody sees this level. You know, everybody sees this level. You know, it's not like everyone sees the same chart. You know, you can ask any technical trader. Any technical trader will tell you there's resistance here in the low 60s. But once that level breaks, the only thing standing in its way would then be the all-time high. And I think that if this resistance level breaks, I think there's no way this all-time high holds. There's no way this all-time high holds. If we get through like 64, let's say tomorrow AMC is at 65, 66, I think there's no way that we don't fly through 70. Carlos, welcome to the TTG fam. Carlos Lopez, what's good, brother? Welcome to the TTG fam. Everyone, all my TTG members, give a big warm welcome to Carlos. Give a big warm welcome to Carlos. All right, so that's AMC, folks. That's what I'm going to be looking for there on AMC. Guys, we've got 14 laptops left now. Carlos just grabbed one of them. Carlos just grabbed one of them, folks. There are 14 laptops left. Use coupon code TTG121. TTG121. All right. Use that coupon code, guys. Get the 42% discount before the price goes up at midnight, and get yourself one of those 14 laptops. All right. So there you have, folks. That's AMC. All right. That is AMC. All right. So I'll update you guys with this position, obviously, as it unfolds. I'll continue to update you guys as this unfolds. I'll let you guys know, when I sell, I'll let you guys know everything on the live streams. Okay. I'll let you guys know on these live streams. I'll continue to update you guys on my position. All right. All right, guys. So that's AMC. All right. Now, what I would actually like to do, here is talk to you guys now about a stock that I plan on buying tomorrow. Okay. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Okay. You guys can hear me now. All right. Everyone pay very close attention. I'm going to kind of put my neck out there a little bit. All right. I am going to be making a prediction. And there's a stock that's going public tomorrow. Oh no, Nvidia. Oh my God, guys, I've owned Nvidia for years. Guys, I've owned Nvidia for years. I have no plan on selling this thing at all. I have no plans on selling Nvidia anytime in the foreseeable future. I think in the next couple of years, this is over $1,000 stock. I've owned Nvidia for several years now, and I have added to the position every year. I'd say I've owned Nvidia now for, I don't know, I'd say probably at least the last 3 years maybe, and I've added to it every year. And I have no intention on selling this. I have no intentions on selling Nvidia. Okay, the stock's made a huge move lately, and I still have no intentions on selling it. I absolutely love Nvidia. I'm going to be holding Nvidia probably until the day I retire. I'm going to be holding Nvidia probably until the day I retire. And yes, I probably will be buying more after the stock split. Yes, I probably will buy more after the stock split. So guys, I just want to real quick, we've got a comment. Someone says a membership of over $1,000 is kind of insane. My TTG family members, I want you to just sound off, type in chat right now. What do you think a membership to True Trading Group is worth? If you are a member and you know the value of the membership, what do you think it's really worth? Because anyone can sign up right now for just $1,282. That's the whole year. You pay that, that's one price for the whole year. All right. You don't have to pay another dollar. All right. Now, if you think that $1,000 is a lot, I'd read some of these comments right here of real TTG members telling you how much they think it is worth. 10,000, 6,000, priceless, 5K easy, at least 5K, 6,000, 6,000, 5G's easy. Kelly Calvert says 10,000. DK says 5 to 10K. Mayor says 10,000 easy. Reed says 10K. Grant Bigler says it's worth every penny. It's priceless. Mark Penalosa says it's priceless. Valkill priceless. Hog Fan 10K. Gilbert Feinberg 10K. Rodden Costner says at least 5K. Strader Bellier says priceless. Robert Neese says over 10K. Skyburst says it's priceless. KL says 5 to 7K. These are TTG members telling you what it's worth. I'm not telling you what it's worth. These are members that are actually experiencing the product, that are actually getting the education, that are using the platform. They're the ones that are telling you, they're like, hey guys, I've experienced this. This is what I think it is worth. You can get it for just $1,282 right now with a free laptop when you use coupon code TTG121. Guys, how many of my TTG members, all of you, all my members that are commenting right now, how much you think it's worth, how many of you have already made back your membership fee, and how long did it take you? Tell me, if you're a member, how long did it take you to make your fee back? Because guys, don't forget, if you don't make back your membership fee at least one time after going through the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending a study group, I'm going to give you your money back. I'm going to give you a full refund. That's how confident I am in my program. I'm dead serious. This isn't a joke. So let's see. How fast have my members made it back? Hog Fan, 2 weeks. Walter Thomas has already made back the membership fee. Peekaboo, 1 month. 1 day for Lob Sang. Jason Wackenbach, 3 weeks. 6 months for Nice Guy. Nice Guy in 6 months has made over $200,000. Rob O made his membership fee back in 6 weeks and started with a $700 account. It took Marcia Gomes 3 weeks. Cash King tripled their fee in less than 2 weeks. Gilbert Feinberg made it back in 1 week. 3 trades for BG. First week for Lino Barraza. 2 days for L. Smith. Greta made back their lifetime membership in the first month. Republic of David, 1 week. JG Scuba, 3 months. Sanat, 3 days. Diego C, 1 week. You guys get the point. Guys, 1282 is a steal. With everything that you're getting on the platform, it's an absolute steal. Guys, I'm telling you, use coupon code TTG121. What do you have to lose? I'm literally telling you, if you don't make that membership fee back at least once, I'm going to give you your money back. 2 months as a member, Marcia, that's incredible, has made $35,000 in 2 months. Arnold, I no longer work full-time thanks to TTG. That is absolutely amazing. That's the dream, right? That's the dream. That's the dream. Poverty mindset keeps you broke. Yes, guys, there's no limit to your upside when it comes to trading. That's what I love most about it. The better you get, the more money you make. That's simple. Made the membership fee back in the first 2 weeks, up over 25K since then in realized gains. I started with $500. That's awesome, Walter Thomas. Oh my God. I don't know how long it took for you to go from 500 to 25K, but oh my God. Guys, just in case you think you can't do it, like those of you that think you can't do this, you know, I'm just going to keep asking my members questions. And then I'm going to tell you about the stock that I'm going to buy tomorrow. I'm going to tell you that in just a couple of minutes. My members, how many of you work a full-time job while making money in True Trading Group? Type the letter I and tell me what's your profession. Now listen, anyone that's not a member, if you're like, oh man, I work a full-time job, I don't know if I can do this. Don't look at me, look right here and read these comments. These are going to be TTG members that are making money while working a full-time job. Let's see, who do we have here? Manny Mann's a barber. David Barker is a plumber, a mortgage underwriter, auto mechanic, a contractor, project manager, fleet manager, drafter, power sports sales professional, heavy equipment, military vet for thumbs up runners. Thumbs up runners. My heart out to you, man. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your service. An accountant, an electronic technician, auto parts advisor, nurse practitioner, a shop foreman, a painter, Taco Bell, accounting manager, Caterpillar, a real estate, a driver for Costco, a filmmaker, a musician. My wife might be watching, so won't say how much I lost before TTG, but now I have had several six-figure days with TTG. Oh, Jimmy, my boy. I didn't even read your name. I was just reading the comment. Yes, Jimmy, man. Dude, I am so damn proud of the way that you've been trading, Jimmy, man. Honestly, bro, my hat is off to you, man. My hat is off to you, Jimmy. Great job. Patrick works, oh my God, 70 to 80 hours a week as a chef. Man, a chef is a tough job. It's a tough job. Law enforcement, hell on earth gaming. And Kit Chopra actually quit their job. Beautiful. Wow. There you go. Beautiful. All right, folks. So this is the point. I want you to see. I want you to hear directly from my members. I don't want you guys just to listen to me. I want you to take it from the members. You know, there's no better referral or testimony than that of your peers, right? Don't even listen to me. Just read the comments from members. And then check us out on Trustpilot, guys. Over 1,270 people have left us reviews on Trustpilot. We're 5-star rated. Go check it out. Use coupon code TTG121. Get that discount before the price goes up. Get a free laptop. There's 14 of them left. Now, what is the stock that I'm going to buy tomorrow? What's it going to be? I think some members of my TTG fam, I think they already know it. All right. See, Ryan, wrong attitude. Steven, welcome to the family. Steven, welcome to the family. So Ryan, completely wrong attitude. Ryan says, so then just give me a play for tomorrow and then I'll decide off of its performance. Wrong, brother. That is not the way that you want to be thinking about this. TTG is a platform that's actually going to give you a real education. It's going to teach you the same type of trading strategies that I learned working at a fund. So if you want to really learn how to trade from a professional standpoint and stop trying to figure things out on your own, that's what True Trading Group is all about. Don't sign up. Literally, don't sign up. If that's all you want, if you're going to base your subscription to True Trading Group off of, hey, give me a pick and I'll decide if I want to sign up based on performance tomorrow. Guess what, bro? I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody has a crystal ball. Trading's not necessarily even about being right or wrong. It's about identifying high probability setups and putting yourself in those high probability setups over and over and over again. There is no setup that works 100% of the time. So now that we know that, it doesn't matter how good a setup is, it can always still fail. You can have pocket aces dealt to you in poker. That's the best hand you can possibly have. Mathematically, it's the best possible hand you can have pre-flop. Guess what? You can still lose the hand. Why? Because nothing's 100%. Same thing in trading. You have to get an education to learn. This is an A setup. This is a B setup. This is a C setup. A setups, 70 to 75% of the time, they work themselves out in one price direction. B setups, 60 to 65% of the time. C setups is a 50-50 coin flip. You need to learn how to identify the A setups and put yourself in those situations over and over and over again. Trading, you're the ultimate entrepreneur, but if all I do is give you picks without teaching you how to do it, guess what? You're not your own boss. I'm your boss. Guess what? Something happens to me, you stop making money in the markets. Is that what you want? Great. Sign up, follow all my stuff. You can make money. And then when something happens to me, then you'll stop making money. The point is, in True Trading Group, we teach you how to fish. I want you guys to learn how to do this on your own. I don't want you to just follow all of my trades. I want you to be able to identify your own trades, have the education and the ability to pull the trigger and go after that trades. How many of my teaching members right now are able to make money on their own trades now? Sound off in chat if you're a TTG member and you are now able to make money on your own trades. I want you to sound off in chat right now. If you are making money in your own trades, sound off in chat right now. You guys can type the letter I or just sound off in chat. Now, anyone that's not a member, I want you to pay attention to what's going on the side of the screen. These are educated traders now. These are people that are now educated traders that if, God forbid, something happened to me tomorrow, they would all still be able to consistently make money in the markets. Why? Because they got a real education. They got the same education that I got when I worked at a hedge fund in New York City, my very first job out of college. They got that education. They now know how to identify these setups. They now know how to make money in the markets. That is what True Trading Group is about. It's not about me saying, hey, look at how great of a trader I am. Everyone, look at all of my picks. No, it's about, listen, guys, this is how I was taught how to trade. This is what has worked for me. Now going on 17 years of doing this, I'm going to tell you what they taught me. That's True Trading Group. And we're going to give you access to the best trading tools in the meantime. If that's what you want, use coupon code TTG121 right now. Get the 42% discount. Get a free laptop. If that's not what you want, sign off the live stream. Plenty of other services out there that would be glad to take your money just to send you an email with a stock ticker and never answer you once you have a question or if you lose money, not care about what you do. Plenty of other services out there that would love to do that. Be my guest. Okay? Now, what's the stock I'm going to buy tomorrow? With all that being said, what is the stock I'm going to buy tomorrow? Folks, there is a brand new stock going public tomorrow. There is an IPO tomorrow. It is ATAI Life Sciences, ticker symbol ATAI. Say it with me again, ATAI. That, guys, it's a psychedelic company. There is only 14 million shares going out in the public float. Management, founders, they're locked up for a couple of years. That is a very small float for a stock that's going public on a major exchange. I think that this stock has tremendous potential over the next couple of days, maybe even couple of weeks. This is a stock that's going to be on my radar tomorrow. The second that this thing goes live into the open market, I plan on trading it. Okay. Also, one of our other moderators and partner in True Trading Group, Jason, the Wolf of Reed Street, Spatafora, he has been talking to our members about this company for the past year, waiting for the company to actually go public. Jason and I had a conversation earlier today. Jason is also planning on buying ATAI tomorrow. I plan on buying ATAI tomorrow. Now, when do you buy it? What price do you buy it? Where is your stop loss? That you're all going to have to be in chat with me tomorrow to get a feel for where my stop loss is going to be and when am I going to be buying this particular stock and what price do I think it is going to run to. That you've got to be in chat with me tomorrow. I'll be on the microphone talking to you live. Jason and I will be talking to you on the microphone live. I will let you know before I buy the stock. I will tell you what price I'm buying the stock at, and I will tell you where I'm selling the stock before I sell it as well. That is a typical day in chat and True Trading Group. I tell you guys when I'm buying and when I'm selling before I actually do it, so you can follow along with all of those trades easily. Okay, ATAI. Okay, that's the one. All right, we're gonna have to see where it opens, guys. We're gonna have to see where it opens. I don't know what price it's gonna come out and start trading. Okay, I don't know the price it's gonna come out and start trading at. So we got to see where we open up tomorrow. Okay, we got to see where we open up tomorrow. Okay, it's indicating in the teens. It's supposed to open up in the teens. Okay, it's supposed to open up in the teens, like in the mid-teens. Okay, in the mid, it's going to open in the mid. Well, yeah, you're not going to see it yet in E-Trade. Timothy, you're not going to see it on E-Trade yet. It's not public yet. Okay, it goes public tomorrow. Okay, it goes public tomorrow. So you're not going to see it, guys. You can't look it up right now. There is no, it doesn't exist yet. There's no, it's not going to be on E-Trade, Thinkorswim. It's not going to be on your charts. Okay. It's not yet public. Okay. It starts trading tomorrow. Okay. I like this. It's in a very sexy sector. It is a good company, and there's not a lot of shares that are going to be listed in the public float. So a little bit of interest comes into this stock. I think that this thing could really move. I think a lot of people are going to come in and buy this thing. It's a psychedelic company. There's been a lot of really good buzz around that sector on social media. I think this thing's got some potential. So I plan on trading it tomorrow. I think this thing might open up 14, 15. It could run to 20 just tomorrow. So I'm going to be in there, guys. I'm going to be trading it. I know the Wolf will be trading it. So this is something that I think you guys all should have eyes on tomorrow. It's going to be one of my #1 plays tomorrow is going to be ATAI. So we got to see how that thing trades. Now, listen, I'm not just going to, as soon as it goes public, I'm not just going to buy it. Right? I'm not going to buy it as soon as it goes public. But once it goes public, I'm going to be laser focused in on that stock, laser focused in on that price action. I'm going to wait for a setup and an opportunity that I like, and I'm going to jump on it. Okay. Alden and Israel, welcome to the TTG family. Alden and Israel, welcome to the TTG family. What is that? We got 12 laptops left, Adam? If my math is 11, sorry, I missed one. 11, folks. We got 11 laptops left. TTG121. Use that coupon code. Get that 42% discount before the price goes up tomorrow. All right? Get that discount before the price goes up tomorrow. All right, folks. All right, folks, there you have it. So that's it, guys. So that is we talked AMC. I told you guys about that. And now I'm putting my neck out there a little bit. I'm putting my neck out there. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm going to come back on. I'm going to do a live stream tomorrow, right after the market closes. Once the market closes tomorrow, guys, I'm coming back on and I'm going live. Don't let me come on here tomorrow and tell you guys and say boom without you being in chat and being with me trading throughout the day tomorrow. Don't let it happen. Get your butts in chat. Use that coupon code. All right, what I want to do right now, I want to see actually, I want to actually see you guys. I want to see how many people are not members of True Trading Group. Guys, go ahead right now and type the letters TTG in chat right now if you are not a member of True Trading Group. If you're not a member, go ahead and type TTG in chat right now. I want to know if you're not a member. Yeah, guys, tomorrow, I'm gonna walk you through the entire trade tomorrow in chat. Tomorrow in chat, I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to tell you when I'm buying, when I'm selling. I'll walk you guys through the entire trade just like always. You got to be in chat. We got Card and I. We got Sal E. Mander. We got Emmanuel Tavares. We got Nuno De Seuss, Error by Night, D. Smith, Alper, Drit, Bill Toth, Raina Hader, Rohani, Fudpacker. That's a great name. That's a great name. Charlie Beckerly, Will Robinson, Sam, Dr. HJ, Berry, Quasi, Michael Zuber, Pam Winder, Alper. Nah, Glenn Wilson says you're the best, Mike. No, Glenn, you're the best. Rana Rose, Sharma Beanie. Damien says, TTG, but soon, though. I like your style. Damien, I'm ready when you are, brother. Manveer. Mika. David Smith. I love it. Wow, there's so many more. Omar, Quinn, Drone's Eyes, Jesse. Guys, beautiful. For all of you that are typing TTG, understand this, though. I always talk honestly with you guys. I don't sugarcoat anything. I don't beat around the bush. I tell it how it is. And I'll tell you right now, trading is not a get rich quick scheme. You're not going to join True Trading Group and just start making millions of bucks. It's not going to happen. You guys have to be willing to put in some time, energy, and effort to actually learn this skill. That is what this is. This is a new skill. You're learning a new skill just like you're learning anything else. That's what trading is all about. All right, whether markets are up, down, left, right, sideways, guys, we're making money. More importantly, we're becoming better traders. I told you, you saw that before. I asked my members just a few minutes ago, how many are making money? How many are becoming better traders? You guys saw all those people that were commenting. You know, there's no difference between them and you. These are all people that found TTG the same way that you found TTG, and that's a live stream. They found TTG on a live stream, just like you're here now. They joined. They're telling you, hey, I'm making money. Hey, I'm becoming a better trader. But listen, I told you, I always talk honestly, right? I always talk honestly. I don't sugarcoat anything. And the reality of the matter is 80% of our members are doing well. 80% are becoming successful. But that means 20% are still struggling. But in TTG, we leave no trader behind. We're a family. Okay? We hold red to green workshops. What are those? Live events in chat where struggling members submit questions, topics, lessons that they need help with. Okay? Then me and the moderators, we go in chat and we cover all these lessons. We cover all these topics that they need help with. We record the session and then we post it up in our video library for people to go back and review later. Guys, I know it's not possible to have a 100% success rate. I get that, but that doesn't mean I can't try. That doesn't mean we can't try for it. TTD is a business, folks. It's a hell of a business. But it's only as good of a business as our members are doing. And 80% of our members are successful. We got to wake up every day and earn the trust and support of our members. That means long after they pay their yearly all-inclusive membership fee, we don't take lightly the responsibility and the trust that we're given. We work very hard every day to continue to earn our members' trust. Guys, these are people's lives we're talking about. These are people's hard-earned money. I can very confidently say, if I did not have this skill, and I didn't get the education that I got, and I didn't have the experience that I had, I would not be as successful as I am today. No way, no how. So if this education and this skill set and this experience can have this type of an impact on my life, that means it can have a positive impact on others. I don't take that lightly. And neither does any single one of my other TTD fam. Now, for everyone that typed TTG in chat before, listen to me carefully, because no one's going to do the work that's needed for you to reach your goals. You have to. But it all starts with getting the right education, having access to the right tools, being part of the right community that's going to help you learn, trade, and profit. That's what TTD is all about. We work on TTD 12 to 15 hours a day, folks, for our family members to continuously improve on this platform. That 1-year membership, it normally costs $2,212, but from now till midnight, you can save 42% and pay only $1,282 plus get a free laptop. There are 11 of them left. Use coupon code TTG121. They are on a first come, first serve basis. Guys, there's no upsells, there's no add-ons, nothing like that in True Trading Group. Okay. As a member of TTG, you're getting access to the top premium trading tools and products. You bundle them all together as part of your membership. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. This is included free, comes right inside of our chat room, where you will actually be able to get real-time alerts when news hits the wire like that. I can't tell you how much money we've saved and how much money we've made by getting news first and we be able to act on it in chat. Traders that get the news first win. That's why this is important. And it's free with your membership. Quote Media, that's included. Full book level 2. So you can see all the market maker depth. That data, it also comes with ETNA's Trade Simulator, which lets you trade stocks and options with fake money, where you practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. Use the simulator, guys. It's there for you. Prove to yourself you can make money with fake money first before you start risking your hard-earned cash, please. Then you've got our Trade Idea Scanner. This is a scanner that is streamed live to our members throughout the day. It shows you, stocks that are making new highs, stocks that have unusual volume, shows you what are the best stocks you'd be trading during the day, small caps, mid caps, and large caps. Then you get our TradingView Pro charting software. This is one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders today. It's yours free. All of these things I'm telling you, they're all included for just the $1,282. Guys, listen to what I'm saying. That's just over $100 a month. You get all of this. Then you get at least 10 easy to follow, actionable, real-time alerts per week from a community of traders that's sporting about an 83% win rate. We're fully transparent in True Trading Group, guys. We keep a trading journal on our website that actually tracks every single buy and every single sell that all of our moderators make. So you can follow along with all of our trades. We're fully transparent. You get one small private study group with your membership as well, which is your chance to ask questions, go over topics and lessons that you need help with. Then you get the curriculum. And folks, it's the entire curriculum. There are no special VIP pro courses that cost more money. When you sign up with coupon code TTG121, you get every single course we have. This is a simplified version of the education that I received working at the fund in New York. We've got beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, option courses, trader psychology courses, swing trading courses, crypto courses, you name it, we've got it in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Then you've got a video library that has over 100 hours of recorded workshops and webinars and live events that cover different trading topics like how to trade while working a full-time job, how to grow a small account, how to resist FOMO and have confidence pulling the trigger, just to name a few. Guys, that's in addition to the courses. That's over 100 hours of additional education on top of the courses. It's insane. Then you get access to our chat, where me and the other moderators, we share our screen. We're talking to you on the mic like I'm talking to you now, telling you where we see opportunity, telling you where we're buying, where we're selling. You can ask us questions. We're in chat all day. We're not gone after 2 hours. We're there all day, identifying opportunity, answering questions. Now, your next question should probably be, why do you give all this away for just $1,282? I'm going to answer that question with another question. Type the letter I in chat right now if you have ever been a part of another trading group and you were promised the world only to feel like you were always $1,000 of an upsell away from achieving your goals. Go ahead, guys. Type the letter I in chat right now if that's happened to you. Look at all these letter I's. Kelly Calvert says, I tried 10 different trading groups. So crazy. Multiple times, sadly, says Celeste. Look at all these letter I's. Guys, all these letter I's that are coming through chat right now, 3 other services Gary Cantwell tried. Unreal. 5, Jimmy JJ has tried 5 other services. Insane. Guys, this is why. 3 other services for Israel Lopez. Guys, this is why. It shouldn't be that way. It really shouldn't be that way. You know, this is why we do it. We want to disrupt this entire industry. But at the same time, you know, you got to know your worth in life at the same time. And we understand that the things we offer on our platform are way more valuable than just $1,282. That's why we're going to be moving our price to $2,500. Okay, we're going to be there sooner than you guys think. That's still a level where you're getting 10 times the value. And I'll explain value. If you think $1,282 is a lot for a membership, listen to this next part. This is going to blow your mind. That Benzinga newsfeed, if you went to Benzinga on your own to pay for their newsfeed, they're going to charge you $1,188 a year for the newsfeed. That's almost your entire membership. That's how crazy the value is that you're getting. To get full market maker depth level 2 from Quote Media, they charge $990 a year. The simulator that we use is the same simulator that some brokerage firms use to train their new hires. They charge $750 a year for the simulator. TradingView, their charting software, go to their site tomorrow. Hey, I want to sign up for your charting software. $720 for the year. Those 4 tools alone, you get them all free with your membership. But if you paid for them separately, they would cost you $3,648 a year. Now, we haven't even talked about the courses, the chat, the video library, the one-on-ones, the private study groups. We haven't even talked about any of that stuff. That's why, guys, you got to take advantage of this coupon code now, TTG121. The price is going up at midnight. You can lock in $12.82 right now. And also, if you pay $12.82 today, you pay $12.82 for life. So next year when your membership renews, and I'm confident you're going to want to renew because 80% of our members are successful. We have a 70% retention rate. okay, which is extremely high. In this industry, like 35% is normal. Our retention rate is 70%, meaning 70% of our members are renewing their membership. That's crazy. Is it? 80% of our members go on to be successful traders. So is it that crazy? But if you go to renew your membership and next year our membership is $2,500, you're only going to pay $1,282 to renew. You're not going to pay $2,500 next year. If you pay $1,282 today, that's it. That's the price you pay when your membership renews. Guys, our price is going up by a couple bucks every day. We're going to be over $2,000 before you know it. Our goal is to disrupt this entire industry. In order to do that, we've got to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. This is not a sales gimmick, guys. We're going to be over 2K before you know it. Check us out on Trustpilot. We are 5-star rated on Trustpilot. Over 1,270 people have written us a review on Trust. Adam, pull up Trustpilot. Oh, he's up. Pull it. Awesome. Let's read a review actually on Trustpilot. Pick one for me. Wow, 1,290 reviews. 5-star rated. All right, here we go. Old timey. Oh, wow. This is just 2 hours ago. Wow. Old timey. If you're on the live stream, thank you for the review. Let's read it. Have literally waited 20 years for a group like this. Thought they were too good to be true, as they claim so. I followed them for 8 months before joining and learned so much from them all. People would pay dearly just for the info they share on their daily free live streams. This is very true. I had tried other groups before. However, they constantly want more. This is crazy. I just talked about this. They constantly want more money for things and never seem to help me make any. This group is a true trading family. They really leave no trader behind and make sure you learn how to trade on your own, not just follow alerts. Best part, no upsells ever. That's why they're called the Netflix of trading groups. Their education platform is priceless. If I signed up myself for all the trading tools they offer, it would cost over $5K. No group offers as much personal attention, training, education, trading tools, and more. They are the only complete package out there, and they are truly disrupting this industry. Their membership fee is a joke in comparison, a tiny fraction of that. Don't take my word for it. Check out the reviews on Trustpilot. Scroll down for me, Adam. Check out the reviews on Trustpilot or find out for yourself with their $3 trial membership where you can see all they have to offer before considering joining. LOL, who does that? Old timey. Old timey, thank you very much, man. That's a great review. Yeah, guys, we do have that 7-day trial. Don't forget. It's a 1-week trial. It's only $3. You can go to ttgthree.com to sign up for that trial. It's only $3. Okay. It's only $3. All right, guys. So use that coupon code TTG121. All right. Lock in that coupon, lock in that discounted price, that $12.82. Get that free laptop. We got 11 of them left. All right. That's until midnight Pacific tonight. By midnight Pacific tonight, that price goes up. All right. So lock in that code. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. You're the best. I love you all. Make sure you get your butts in chat with me tomorrow. If you want to be trading AMC, if you want to trade ATAI, the brand new IPO tomorrow, I'm going to walk you through the entire thing tomorrow live. Get your butts in chat. Coupon code TTG121. I'll see you guys.